The Unspoken Rules, Secrets to Starting Your Career Off Right, emphasizes the significance of grasping the implicit norms and concealed expectations within the workplace. It asserts that merely putting in effort is insufficient for career advancement and underscores the following key takeaways. Hard work alone is insufficient. While hard work is undoubtedly important, it is not the sole factor in advancing one's career. Success often requires more than just fulfilling job responsibilities. It involves mastering them. Understanding hidden expectations and unspoken rules. To excel in your career, it's crucial to be attuned to the implicit expectations and unwritten rules that exist within your organization. These can include cultural norms, communication styles, and unspoken hierarchies. Building relationships and visibility. Establishing meaningful relationships with colleagues, supervisors, and mentors is essential. Being visible and actively engaging with others in the workplace can help you garner support and opportunities. Navigating hidden opportunities. Opportunities for growth and advancement may not always be obvious. To succeed, you must be proactive in identifying and pursuing these hidden opportunities, such as taking on new projects or roles that align with your career goals. Clarifying task details. When assigned tasks, it's crucial to seek clarity on the purpose, objectives, approach, and deadlines. This not only ensures that you meet expectations but also demonstrates your commitment to delivering quality work. Leveraging the outsider perspective. Being an outsider, whether due to your background, experiences, or unique perspective, can be an advantage. Diverse viewpoints and contributions can lead to innovative solutions and enrich the organization. Making an impact. Ultimately, thriving in the workplace involves actively contributing to the organization's goals and making a positive impact. Demonstrating your value through your work and initiatives is key to long-term success. In summary, the Unspoken Rules underscores the importance of a holistic approach to career development, which encompasses not only hard work but also the ability to navigate the nuances of the workplace, build relationships, seize hidden opportunities, and make a meaningful impact. Understanding and mastering these unspoken rules can set you on a path to career advancement and fulfillment.